Hello. I'm over here. Hey guys, so I want to do a review of the Libman, I don't know if you can see me. It's called the No Hands brush. It's a huge brush. Look how huge this thing is. And look at those bristles. Huge. It's like a mopping brush handle. Brush, whatever you want to call it. So I did, you know what, I want to sit right here. I don't know if you can see me now. Can you see me now? I did another review of it on cleaning the tub. I think it's much better for floors. I keep banging it. For floors or for walls than tubs, because when you have to get around into like the little corners, it's such a big brush, it's hard to maneuver. So if you're doing like grout cleaning or maybe wall scrubbing, this would probably be fantastic. So that's what I want to try right now on my tub. Don't mind the caulking, we have to have it recaulked. But I want to scrub the tiles. And I figured, why not try this thing? Because this thing is like huge. So let's try that. All right, so I have my Dawn-ager, my Blue Dawn and vinegar that I love to use on tubs and showers. I can also use it with thieves cleaner and vinegar. But for this one I have Blue Dawn and vinegar. So it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. It swivels. So like the brush thing swivels, you see that? And you know, it gets in between the tile. Yeah, I can already see like the gunk coming off the soap. I personally like to hold a brush closer so I can physically maneuver it, because I think this is too wobbly because of how long the stick is. So maybe for like flooring it's better, because I think you have better control with gravity as opposed to on a wall, because I'm kind of holding it up, you know what I mean? That's just my opinion. But, you know, it looks like it's cleaning pretty well. Let's see. Just kind of, yeah, I see some of the soap buildup coming off. So that's good. That's a good sign. And it is, like I said, look how, you know, I don't know if you can see it, how much you can see on the thing, but it has a really nice reach. I'm 5'7", and it's pretty long. There you go. So I think it's pretty cool tool. I think it was, I want to say like 20 bucks, 21 bucks. And it's called a Libman No Hands brush. I believe it's called a brush. So I like the swivel head. I'm just trying to find different ways to use it. So I definitely think if you're doing floor cleaning on like grout, where's my towel? Floor cleaning on grout where you have to scrub really hard, that's pretty good if you don't want to be bent down on your hands and knees, and it's a very wide brush. It's just hard to control because it swivels a lot. So that's kind of a, if you're like me, I like to actually hold the brush and scrub. So, but that was it's a good option to do walls as well if you want to try it. I do like the fact that it's long, so you don't have to be like, you know, on a ladder or something. So this is a good option. I'm also even thinking maybe, well, you don't really want to do walls like with flat paint, because then you're going to brush the paint off. But tiles, like tiles in bathtubs and flooring, probably a good option for that. And for like 20 something bucks, it's not that bad of a price. So that's my review of the Libman No Hands mop or brush. I'll send the little link of where I found it on Amazon, and I'll put the recipe YouTube link that I have for how to make Dawn-ager. And I hope you like and subscribe and tune in for more cool cleaning tips. See you guys later. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.